What if you could cook delicious, juicy pork ribs in your air fryer that are ready to eat in just 30 minutes? You're gonna need some brown sugar, chili powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and a little cayenne pepper. Mix them all together and rub the seasoning onto some fresh, meaty Coleman natural ribs. Let the seasoned ribs rest for 30 minutes and preheat your air fryer to 360 degrees. After the ribs have rested, place onto a tin foil lined pan and cook for 10 minutes on each side. Remove the ribs, add your favorite barbecue sauce to one side, cook for 5 minutes, and then flip and do the same for the other side. After a short rest under some foil, the ribs are ready to cut and serve. You're not going to want a knife and fork for these. Dig right in. Head over to ColemanNatural.com for full recipes and other great cooking tips.